Hello, and welcome back to English Podcast for Beginners. This is a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I am Lovely, and I am happy to spend this time with you today. Take a deep breath. Today, we are going to talk about a very important topic. It is about feeling scared. It is about how we can face our fears, be brave, and move forward. Maybe you are scared to speak English. Maybe you feel nervous. Maybe you are afraid of mistakes. If you feel this way, please stay with me. This is normal. We all feel fear sometimes. Let's talk about it together. First, let's think about fear. What is fear? Fear is that feeling in your stomach. It makes you feel nervous or worried. When we learn a new language, we often feel fear. We fear saying the wrong thing. We fear that people will not understand us. We fear making mistakes. This fear can stop us. It stops us from trying. It stops us from speaking. When we feel this fear, we often choose the safe way. We choose the comfort zone. Your comfort zone is a very warm and safe place. It is where you feel calm and sure. In your comfort zone, you do not try new things. You stay still. When you learn English, staying still means you only read or you only listen. You do not speak. You do not try. This comfort zone feels good in the short term. It protects you from mistakes. But wait. If you only stay inside your comfort zone, can you learn? Can you grow? No. To truly learn English, you must move. You must step outside of that safe place. And when you step out, what happens? You meet fear. But this fear is important. It is a sign that you are trying something new. It is a sign that you are changing. So, how can we be brave? Many people think being brave means you stop feeling scared. This is not true. Being brave means you feel the fear, but you choose to move forward anyway. You move with the fear. You do not let the fear stop your action. Remember this simple sentence. Bravery is taking the first step. The steps do not need to be big steps. They can be very small steps. What is a small, brave step today? Maybe a small step is asking one simple question to a stranger. Maybe it is trying to use one new word today. Maybe it is writing one English email and pressing send. When you take this small step, you feel the fear. You might feel nervous, but when you finish the action, you feel strong. You feel good. You moved forward. This action is your proof. It proves that you are stronger than your fear. And remember the importance of mistakes. Mistakes are not bad things. Mistakes are your friends. They are your teachers. Every time you make a mistake, you learn one way that does not work. Then you try again in a new way. Mistakes show you the road to getting better. They help you remember what to do next time. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Welcome them. Say hello to them. Say, "Thank you, mistake. I learned something new because of you." Let's quickly review the main idea today. We all feel scared sometimes. This is normal. But to grow, we must leave the comfort zone. We must try new things. Bravery is not about having zero fear. Bravery is feeling the fear, but choosing to take action anyway. Choose one small, brave action today. Do not wait for tomorrow. You are learning an amazing skill. This journey takes courage, but you have that courage inside you. I know you do. You are stronger than you think. You are learning every day. Face your fears, be brave, and keep moving forward. Thank you so much for listening today. We will talk again soon. Take care and be kind to yourself.